What's up, Travis? Schedule here back again with a brand new video for you guys. And we live in a world of $1,000 iPhones, even $2,000 smartphones right now, like we saw with the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So don't be scared, don't be scared. Yes, I know that smartphones are becoming more and more expensive, and so that's why in this video I'm going to be talking about the best Android smartphone to buy under $200. So if you're thinking about getting a phone this year for yourself or for somebody else and you do not have so much money to spend, this is the video for you, because I'm going to be covering 3 of the best smartphones to buy under $200. And I will honestly advise that you stick around to the very end of the video, because at the end I'm going to be revealing my #1 top pick for the best of the best out of these 3 phones I'm going to be mentioning in this video. So if you're as curious as I am and you want to find out what that phone is, be sure to stick around to the very end of the video and not just leave the video halfway through. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video. Hey there, welcome back. My name is Sheju, and if you are new to the channel, on this channel, which is Tech Tribe, I make tech reviews and unboxing videos. So if you are interested in that kind of video content, which I believe you are because you're obviously watching this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, and also hit the little post notification bell icon so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you also find yourself enjoying this video at any point in the video, be sure to smash that like button. I'm trying to get this video to over 30 likes, which will be the highest any video on my channel has gotten so far. So I will really appreciate if you can smash that like button like right now. And with all that being said, let's dive straight into the video. Now, #1 on this list is a phone from one of the greatest tech companies to ever be created, which is Nokia, and this phone is none other than the Nokia 4.2. So now let's take a quick rundown on the spec sheet of the Nokia 4.2 and see what this phone is packing. Now, the Nokia 4.2 has an 8-megapixel selfie camera and a 13 and 2-megapixel rear camera on the back. It also has a 5.71-inch 720 by 1520 display, and the phone is run on Android 9 and has Android 1 support. Now, the Nokia 4.2 also has a pretty decent 3000 mAh battery, and it has a 2GB RAM version which comes with 16 gigs of internal storage, and a 3GB RAM version which comes with 32 gigs of internal storage. Now, the Nokia 4.2 starts at $87 which is about 31,000 naira in Nigerian currency, or in naira, as you guys are always pointing out in the comment section. Now, the second phone on this list is none other than, you guessed it, the Infinix S4. And I'm sure at this point in my channel, you guys are probably tired of me mentioning this phone in my videos. But honestly, I can't even stress how good the performance on this phone is, and that's why I'm including it into almost every one of my budget Android smartphone videos. So now let's take a quick rundown on the spec sheet of the Infinix S4 one last time. Now, this Infinix S4 that I have with me right now is a 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gig internal storage version. It has a 4000 mAh battery, a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and 3 rear cameras that are 13, 8, and 2 megapixels respectively. It also has an octa-core 2.06 GHz CPU, a 6.2-inch 720p LCD display, and it runs on Android 9 Pie. Now, the Infinix S4 starts at around $127, which is about 46,000 naira in Nigerian currency. Now, the third smartphone on this list is from a company that is also a really big tech giant and has been making some pretty great smartphones over the years. And I'm talking about none other company than Xiaomi. And this one is the Xiaomi Mi A3 smartphone. Now, let's take a quick rundown on the Xiaomi Mi A3 and let's see what this phone is packing. Now, the Xiaomi Mi A3 has a 32 megapixel selfie camera and a 48, an 8, and a 2 megapixel camera on the rear. It also has a huge 4030 mAh battery and a 6.09 720 by 1560 display. For this price point, the Xiaomi Mi A3 also has an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, and the entire phone is run on Android 9.0 Pie and has Android 1 support. Now, the Xiaomi Mi A3 has a 4GB RAM version that has 64 and 128 gigs of internal storage options, and also a 6GB RAM version which comes standard with 128 gigs of internal storage. Now, the Xiaomi Mi A3 starts at $157 USD, which is roughly around 56,520 naira in naira. Now, I've mentioned 3 amazing smartphones in this video. So what is the best of the best? What is the one that I would advise you go and purchase right now if you have a $200 budget? I will advise you to get the Xiaomi Mi A3 smartphone. And that's just simply because for a phone that costs $157, the Xiaomi Mi A3 is packing some really high-end features. Like, I mean, it even has an under-display fingerprint sensor. So that's it. The Xiaomi Mi A3 will be my pick for the best Android smartphone over $200. But I want to know you guys' opinions. Which one of these devices would you pick for yourself? I reply to every single one of my comments, so I will be waiting patiently to hear what you guys have to say in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Like this video if you really enjoyed it. Follow us on our social media platforms, on Instagram at TechTribe and on Twitter at TechTribe1. Drop a comment and drop a like before you leave. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I will see your beautiful faces next week Friday in another video. Till then, stay safe.